Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English video explanation class. And today we are going to cover in this video explanation class our chapter number 9 from novel, which is called The Cunning Mediator. Let's read this lesson. Once upon a time there lived a sparrow in the hollow of a big mango tree in the deep forest. His name was Kapanjala. And there was also a crow who lived on the branches of the same tree, and both of them became very good friends. They used to sit, dance, and play together. They shared all their problems also. One day the sparrow went out to search for food, and he did not return. Till the evening the crow got worried and waited for the sparrow till the next day. But until the next day also it was the same. The situation was same. The sparrow did not come back. Then at last the crow lost all his hope. He thought that the sparrow would not come back to the tree. He thought that the sparrow might have lost her life, either at the hands of a hunter or at the hands of some animal. But one day the sparrow came back to the hollow. She told the crow that she had gone to meet her friend and stayed there for some time. During the sparrow's absence, a rabbit had started living in the same hollow where the sparrow used to live. The rabbit had found the hollow empty, and one day he stopped there to rest under the mango tree, and he found the hollow to be a very good place, and he started living there. The rabbit was living there, and the sparrow felt very bad about this situation. The sparrow angrily asked the rabbit to leave, but he immediately replied no to it. He refused the suggestion and added that he had found this hollow vacant, and so he made it his home. He had decorated it very beautifully. The crow tried to solve the problem, but he failed, and both of them got into a furious fight. That means they were fighting very much, and they were angrily fighting. And at that point of time the sparrow suggested that they should take advice from someone who is very wise and can solve their problem. The rabbit also consented. The rabbit also agreed to the same suggestion, that they should take advice from somebody who is very wise. There was a wild cat passing by from there. Her mouth was filled with water when she saw the sparrow and hare quarreling with each other. The clever cat understood the situation and made a plan to relish the innocent creature. Relish means to eat and enjoy both the creatures. So the cat laid a mat and started chanting scriptures. That means scriptures means वो श्लोक्स पढ़ने लगी. Scriptures means religious writings. मतलब जैसे हम हिंदी के श्लोक पढ़ते हैं या पूजा में कोई भी चीज़ पढ़ते हैं, ऐसे उसने चांट करना शुरू कर दिया, जिससे कि उन सबको लगा दैट देयर इज़ अ ट्रू सेंट, दैट शी इज़ अ ट्रू सेंट. The sparrow and the rabbit approached the cat and narrated their whole story. And then the cat pretended to be old and was pretending that because of being old, she was not able to hear what they are saying. So she politely requested both of them to narrate their story closely, to come closer to the cat and narrate the story again. The innocent animals trusted the cat and came closer. As they came close to the cat grabbed the sparrow in his paws and captured the rabbit in his teeth. So, in this way, the cat got success in having a great dinner, and the crow felt bad at the tragic ending of his friends. So now, students understand that because they were fighting so much over just one hollow, the sparrow could have found another one also. But the sparrow did not want to find any other place, and because of that they both lost their life. So whenever you are in a situation where the other person is not listening to you or is not understanding what you're trying to say, you should always move forward and forget about about that thing, because the same things can be found again, but your life is more important than that. So do not lose your life because of petty issues. So that is the moral that we take from this story. I hope that you have understood this chapter. If you have any problem, you can always ask me on the group, I'll be sharing a small PDF also with some MCQs. Please write down those MCQs in your literature notebook. Students, please take care of yourself and your families. If you have any problem, you can always discuss it with me. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourself.